Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again. Today was a pretty good day, as you can see from my P&L, up $400, 414. On this account, 464, 464 on four accounts, and 414 on one. Pretty good. I've been following my rules. I did not trade for the first 30 minutes of the day. Like I said. And although they were trades that were really tempting for me to make, like this one, we touched VWAP perfectly and then started going back down like instantly. That was absolute perfection, but I didn't take it. I just wanted to stick to my rules and see what happens for like a month, for a couple of weeks. Because what I've been doing before really didn't, get me any progress. So I wanted to see if, changing shit up would be different. Some days, I'm going to miss something really crazy, and on other days, I'm going to get destroyed like I have been, So, I avoided that. I didn't take any trades. First trade that I took was a break and retest of the 50-minute open. Entry could have been way better. It's actually not my fault because I was trading on the 5-minute, and then we went up the 50-minute, and then we went down, and then when we were going down, that's when I took my trade at 219 around here, and then I was in profit. I was in good profit. I was in two cons. I was in good profit, but then it started going back up again to the same area. Let's see. See right here. We went up. So it's around 7. Soon after, we break, and then we retest, and then we're coming back down. And I took the trade, and then we went back up again, and this was rough to hold. And then we were going down, and then I closed at like 10 points. I just wanted 10 points, and I got closed out. Should I have stayed in the trade for a little longer? Yeah, could have pulled out another like 20 points, and it would have been up big. But I didn't. I just wanted to play it safe. I just wanted 10 points, and I locked myself out after that. So close to $500. I wanted 500 really. It would make it a $2,500 day. But it is what it is. Right now, these accounts are at around $4,000. I did the math earlier. Let's see. So these accounts are at 950 plus 926. 50 plus 926 plus 956. 961, 856. 961 plus 856. So these accounts right now are at 4,649, probably plus 4,650 around, and then I can take out half soon. So that'll be a $2,300 payout. Pretty good. I spent $1,000 on these accounts. So $250 for the evals, and then another $750 for the activation. That's $1,000. So I'm going to get around a 230, around 230% return, which is pretty good. And that's right now. I want to run these accounts up just a little bit more to secure the winning days for the rest of the week. That'll be like an extra $200 a day. I'm going to size down to one contract or even 5 micros, especially with this volatility, right? And catch a really good move on a mini, and that'll be perfect, because there's no consistency rule on the funded phase. So, I want to run these up a little bit and hold on to a nice little runner, and just get a move like this. You know what I mean? My goal is to to get these accounts to like 3,200, and get like a fat like $8,000 payout. That would be amazing, but I'm gonna keep my expectations realistic here. I just need one good solid move. You know what I mean? Something's really clean, and I can make it happen. There was a lot of, if I didn't take that, then my next opportunity would have came at around 746. Another a break, another retest, and that would have been like perfect. It would have been perfect. Caught 50 points there. That would have been $2,000 on this account. So I just need just one good trade, and these accounts are up, and I've hit my goal. I've made the 3,200 I need, and then half that is 1,600 times 5. That's 8K. So that's where I'm getting that number from. So let's go to my bull knocks. I've been doing really well on these accounts. I took a trade soon after that one, the one from Top Step. I think maybe 20 minutes later. Let's see. Oh, I don't have the marking, so it's hard to find. So it was around here. I went long at, so the first trade that I took was a long at 123, which was where was it? Oh yeah, here. So which was on here at first, and then I got stopped out pretty much for a 790 loss. And then what did I do? And then I took a long at 169. So yeah, around here. So yeah, I took a long at 169. We were testing the 21 EMA, and it was holding well. So I was in, and then I waited to see how this candle would close, and then when I started to see it go back up, that's when I bought, and then I held it for 45 points almost. So I sold near the top. Well, yeah, I sold around here. I had 2 cons, so it was really good. I should have really trimmed and kept another one, but I missed out on 36 points. But I made $1,400 on this account on yesterday. I didn't cover yesterday, so I made $1,400 yesterday on this account. Got one really good trade. So I want to keep the consistency rule in this. The consistency rule is 40%. 40%. And if you look at my Google Drive, let's go to my consistency rule calculator. So yeah, 1,400, 1,448, 1,300. I need the account to be 3,620. So I'm really close. I'm at 2,700. I'm just $900 away from a payout here. But I need to have 10 trading days with bull knocks. 10 trading days with bull knocks. But there is no minimum winning day, So I just need to meet 10 days. I already have 2, and I'm above the buffer in 2 days with 2 trades. Or 3 trades. So the goal right now is to get to the minimum payout. The maximum payout on bull knocks is $1,500 for the 50K accounts. Okay, so I've met the buffer, which is 2,600. So you do 2,600 plus 1,500, which is 4,100. So the goal is to get to $4,100 by next Friday, not this Friday, by next Friday. So I'm already at 2,700, so I need $1,400 more for a maximum payout, right? So we do $1,400 divided by divided by how many trading days do we have? Let's check. So it should be 8, right? So we've already done today. So yeah, 3 plus 5. That'll make it 10 trading days. So 8 trading days. So I just need to make 1,408 days. So $175. So I just need $175 every single day for 8 days, and that would do 2 things. One, it would allow me to get my maximum payout of $1,500, and 2, I will reach this buffer. I will reach, if everything goes well, I will reach this buffer in 4 days. $800, 4 days. So yeah, that's the goal on these accounts. Just $175 for the next 8 days is the goal. So can I go over? Yes. and, it'll make it safer for me to, like, get my second and third payout, and then it's just uncapped after that. But, I've reached the buffer. I didn't even know. I was just holding it, and I was like, you know what? I mean, I was at, I lost 790, and I just made 1790. So that's, $1,000 profit pretty much. So I was good. So yeah. Oh, I was in profit before that trade. So that's why it's like the math is kind of off. I was in like $300 profit from before. I took a long, and then it worked out. And then I took another trade, and that's what cucked me. So it was minus 400, and then I made 1700. So that's plus 1300 there on the day. So yeah, that's the goal with Bull Knox. Next 8 days, make reach the $4,100 mark, and then along the way I'll have my I would have met my consistency rule. I don't really need to risk it with two cons here on this one, so I'm going to play it safe, because for these accounts I spent $45 plus 100, 48 times 3, so it's 448 plus that, so 489. So I spent $489 on these three accounts. $489 on these three accounts, and I could get a payout for $4,500. So it's really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I blew all my funded futures evals. I had one bad trading day, and then yeah, it was right before I introduced like not trading for the first 30 minutes or whatever, and I blew those accounts. So my funded futures accounts are lost. Maybe if I get both of these payouts locked in by next Friday, I'll reset those accounts for $1,250. So yeah, resetting those three accounts is going to take $1,250. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.